Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce you our mini tool set. I'm starting with 2mm 140 degree flywheel tool. That's the most popular tool. It's also very easy to use 2mm 140 degree. I will now make mirror finishing with 2mm 180 degree flat tool. You can get maximum shine with the flat tool, but be careful, it's a bit difficult to use that tool. You're gonna get a convex tool also inside the mini tool set. We have a wide range of fancy tools such as convex, concave, lining, facet and many others. Another fancy tool inside the mini tool set is 2mm 4-line. Just like a tiger's claw, there are several lines on that tool. And we added one piece of rainbow tool into the set. This is one of our best sellers. You will get rainbow colors with that tool and you can use it in many different ways. We also have some low-cost background tools inside the mini set. Wheel background is a popular tool that you can draw line background on your jewelry. You will get another background tool, EMERY background. This tool is plated with real diamond powder and really easy to use. And finally, the diamond-plated cylinder tool for background finishing. You can get half shiny surface with that tool. Just be sure to use that tool at the right speed. You will get 8 of the most popular tools in mini set. Diamond and background tools for different applications. If you want to start hand diamond cut, but if you have a limited budget, mini tool set is for you. That's a high precision motor that we developed for diamond cut. It's low cost and easy to use. You can find a detailed video of our MICROMOTOR in Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Let's remember our tools. We started with 2mm 140 degree tool. That's our most popular tool. Then we used 2mm 180 degree tool for mirror finishing. That tool is a little bit difficult, but you will get the maximum shine. Then we used 2mm convex tool. That's one of our fancy tools. And then another fancy tool, we made lines with 2mm 4-line flywheel tool. The tool I love most personally, we created colorful surface with our rainbow tool. We used wheel backgrounds to make dull lines on our product. Another background tool, we made a pattern with EMERY tool. Remember, EMERY tool is made of diamond powder. And finally, we used cylinder background tool. Cylinder background tool is also plated with real diamond powder. Thank you very much for watching us. See you next week.